So here we go with the new interface for capturing the audio with the mic. So thought I'd test it out, and what better game than Siege to test it out. I haven't played this game in a year and a half, so I have no idea how this is gonna go. Let's see, competitive gameplay mode. This whole thing has changed. Let's just do a quick match, fuck it. See how rusty I am. That's right, so now you can actually choose where you spawn. Let's do this. Go with Buck. Good old trusty Buck. Alright, let's do it. Leave it to a Dokebi who takes their sweet time to load.
Many hours later.
Find the biohazard container location.
Ooh. Nice and shiny.
Spawn peak.
Nicely done. The biohazard container has been located. Proceed to the
Spawn peak on my
biohazard
ping.
container and secure it.
Where's the hell? Oh, there's a can. Surprise, surprise!
For electronics. Action time! Detected a biocontainer! Loading concussion! I'm out!
All the games I've been playing so far, I'm so used to the sprint just being a toggle instead of having to hold
Ready to break!
it. Shit.
Readying impact!
I have faith in you.
Four last operators standing.
There you go.
Hostile activity. Neutralize the threat.
Hell yeah.
Op 4 eliminated. Friendly mission successful.
Would you look at that? Usually would switch around. That's interesting. Okay. Find the biohazard container.
Find the biohazard container location.
Shit. So good chance on second floor. Yep.
10 seconds. Biohazard container location unknown. You are clear to engage. You have found the biohazard container. Proceed to its location.
Enemy detected inside.
Swapping mag. Clear the blast area!
Ready to torch.
Fuck! Fucking vigil.
Drone activated.
Four last stop standing.
I'm out!
Secure the biohazard container. Hostile activity. Neutralize the threat. Op 4 eliminated. Friendly mission successful.
Hell yeah. Round 3. Fight.
We need to protect the biohazard container. Secure the room.
Passing kids around.
Well, it's done.
Op 4 drone has found the biohazard container.
Talking about grenades now.
10 seconds.
New feed up. Sector.
5 seconds.
Deploying
Op 4 has located the biohazard container.
Nitro deployed.
Hello. I forgot that does that.
Razor wire.
Op 4 last stop standing.
Upstairs, upstairs.
Shit!
Friendly is victorious.
GG.
Hostiles eliminated.
Alright. So at least I got 2 kills out of that. And not in last place. So out of all of that, I actually got a pack. So let's see what we got. Uncommon. That's actually pretty cool. So switched the running from hold to toggle, so let's see how better I do with that.
Secure the bombs.
Up your suits.
10 seconds left. Down to 5 seconds.
Wall secured.
Op 4 has yet to locate a bomb.
Camera ready to activate.
Wall fortification complete!
Drone jammer.
Enemy drone moving into scan. Starting timer.
Damn!
Enemy drone is moving into position for scan.
Direct that shit.
Op 4 eliminated. Mission successful.
Let's try my more comfortable defender.
Secure the bombs.
Time for some serious protection.
Need to be mounted. Let them come.
Activate jammer. Camera ready.
5 seconds and counting.
Device primed. Given.
A bomb has been located by Op.
You know there's an outline around your teammates.
Reloading!
Just saying.
Op 4 located a bomb. Protect it.
4B max.
Life's right.
Op 4, last operator standing.
Gotcha.
Seconds left. 10 seconds to go. Op 4 eliminated. Mission successful.
Nice. I didn't set her up, so let's go with... Who did I set up? We'll go with Ash.
Need to use your drone to locate a bomb. Drone has found a bomb. 5 seconds to go.
Shit.
Proceed to bomb's location and defuse it. You have located a bomb.
Watch for the blast!
Potato.
Mr. Potato.
Drop the diffuser. Friendly last operator. 1 op 4 remaining. All friendlies have been eliminated.
Shite.
Need to use your drone to locate a bomb.
Seems like-
Drone has located a bomb. Ten seconds to go. 5 seconds. Proceed to bomb's location and defuse it.
We tried that way. Let's do it a different way.
The diffuser has been secured.
Watch for the blast!
Op 4 last stop standing. The diffuser is no longer in your possession. The diffuser is now secured. Op 4 eliminated. Friendly mission successful.
Hell yeah. That's right, bitches. So like I said, I did better than I thought I was going to, and notice there's a lot of changes. So I think I'm gonna get back in more into this because now I'm getting the itch to play more. So look forward to more videos of Rainbow Six Siege from your man, Brandon Taylor. See ya.